All right, Mazda 2012 Mazda 5S Sport. Need some new brakes. Get these all straightened up. You're gonna get the new pads on there. All 4 tires. Have it spick and span, running clean and smooth. All right, pulling off do the lug nuts when they're on the ground. Get them loose so they're easier to take off. Always block the car when you're jacking it up. Pull out 2 bolts. 17 millimeter, and down there we got like a 17 or 18 millimeter. I guess they're both 17s. Pull the caliper up. We'll hang it up to this shock with the rope. Pop the pads out. Put the beautiful new pads in. There we go, turning it back. Get that guy all the way back flush in there. Using our vise, cranking it in. Alright, back wheel's off. And a minor complication getting it off, but we left the emergency brake on. 15 millimeter bolts, same deal as the front. 2 bolts, pull it off. This one though, you can't press back by force. We need to turn it back. So we're gonna go grab the tool from AutoZone, a little brake job tool. Be back. Get this all turned back in.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Tighten that. Oops. Oh shit. Hey, you're back. What happened? I think you had a ride. She didn't show up, huh? What's up, Bradley?
Hello.
Oh, damn. How did the tests go?
It was like easy, and then the side section kind of just shut down.
Alright, all the way back in. Alright, done deal.
Sweet.
And we got that spring thing that we keep forgetting to replace. It's probably quite important. Don't forget it.
Yeah, what's this piece do? Anybody know?
If anybody knows, comment. Tell us what
know.
it does. All I know is it keeps not being put back.
Right?
But we're getting them all. Don't worry. Take them all off with this little screwdriver. Put them all back on. Move the jack stones over to the other tire. Safety first, everybody, always. All right, there's all the old brakes. New brakes are in the car. Ready to roll good.
YouTubing this?
For sure. All the wheels are back on. Getting ready to take it for a test drive. So what we'll do is just pump the brakes a few times while it's in neutral or in drive before we hit the road. After a few brake pumps and a bit, all pressurized, and this Mazda 5S Sport crossover SUV is gonna have brand new brake pads, brand new brake shoes. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe. Come on, we need some subscribers. Have a good day. Bye.